For more videos like this, please subscribe.
You too, TriStars. Sweating. Yeah. Anyway, good morning, good afternoon. You know what I mean? Big up everybody. Respect and thanks to the new subscribers them. Me see una. You know, reach 3,000 something. We should have come in from 3,000, come celebrate with my fans, but I mean, we still want to say thanks. This trip is a New Jersey trip. It's not going to be in the town. I'm not thinking it's going to be in the town of New Jersey, you know what I mean? But it's going to be, that's a New Jersey trip. I'm leaving from Montreal in Canada, going across. I don't know if I'm going to film all that because it's a lot of bushes on that 87 going towards New Jersey. But I'm just going to give you guys maybe a little touch after going across the border, you know what I mean? And then after that, maybe in the city or when I'm in New Jersey for delivery, then, you know, I shoot another video again. Because, you know, I already asked you guys if is it that you want to see more roads or you want to see more travelings or whatever. I didn't really get back a number one feedback. So I'm guessing you guys are okay with how I edit that last video. So I'm going to just continue to do it like that until some alarm raised by any one of my subscribers, you know what I mean? I guess, you know, you guys are enjoying what's going on. Now, I have a lot more video coming out based on what my subscribers asked me to try to fulfill. There's one subscriber that mentioned something about show more forklift loading. I'm not sure why, but the thing is I can't really do a lot of videoing inside of these buildings because it's all about safety, and most of those areas are cameras and phones and stuff like that are restricted. They can't use it in there, you know what I mean? So more time when you see me doing a video inside of these buildings, maybe the camera is steady somewhere. I set it up, you know, beforehand, and maybe I have the head thing on. But other than that, that's the only way I could get like a forklift loading truck or whatever, you know what I mean? Then the next thing is, there's a lot of questions there to answer. But this trip is about New Jersey. Going to New Jersey, that's it. You know what I mean? TriStars. Anyway, I just want to say thanks for watching. I'm going to start the journey. I'm really hot, you know what I mean? But that's how it is. TriStars. Check out. Dude. So this is it. I didn't even need to use what you call this? Guard, because it already come with a edge to protect the coil. I already come with it. So this is it really. You guys already know the setup. I already did a video on how to set this thing. So this coil is 38,000 pounds. You know what I mean? So I mean everything is okay. So basically that's just it. One coil. You know what I mean? It's an easy strapping down. You know what I mean? I'm just fueling to go, and that's about it. Yes, YouTube, TriStars. Right, I'm at the border. This water is called Champlain. Between Canada and New York. So it's border between Montreal and back into New York. See, I look sleepy. Yeah. I stopped for 2 hours. Basically, it's really my fault because I think I had sent the paperwork off. For some reason, I locked my data off my phone, and I thought the paperwork had sent to dispatch, but it didn't. So it's really my fault. So, you know, when I jump and I call, say, where's my ace? You know, they're telling me that they didn't see there is no paperwork. You know, so it's really my fault. I should have called from early and asked if they had it. You know what I mean? So. Yeah, so I'm actually gonna go across now. I've been here for like 2 to 3 hours. I'm not exactly sure, but I'm just 6 hours away. This delivery is not gonna go on until tomorrow, really, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna get straight to the destination. Hopefully I can park there. So I'm just gonna just go straight. So yeah, this is my journey. Thanks for tuning in, like I said before, TriStars trucking, you know what I mean? So yeah, peace out. Yeah, I'm just gonna start journey now, go through the Montreal border. That's about it.
Thought about this too much. What's there left to say? Throw your stones the river. Like me, it drifts away, I would watch you stare. I would watch you stare. Oh, but there's no one there. We can figure this out. Put your feet down. We are the lucky ones. Swallow your choice, it's done. Terrified of what's left remains unsaid until you break my mind.
Till you break my mind.
Until you break my thought.
Till you break my thought. I'm throwing wishes in the well in hopes that you will keep them for yourself. And know there was a time when we never let go, never let go. Ooh, we never let go.
We can figure this out. Put your feet down. We are the lucky ones. Swallow your choice, it's done.
morning, my peace. Morning. Tri-stars. Boy, I tell you. It's your feet. Just a way. Anyway, last night me get my as you guys noticed, I get in from early in the morning, which that was what I was explaining on New Jersey trip on the last trip. No, not New Jersey, the Brooklyn trip. I should try to get in. So when you get in early, it's much easier and better to work with. You know what I mean? So that's what I did, and I get in and I'm going to offload. You know what I mean? I'm going to offload, and I'm going to do my pickup in Maryland, Baltimore, Maryland. So that's where my pickup is. So basically, I'm just gonna deliver this coil right here in New Jersey, and then heading out, make my pickup to go back to Canada. So this run is when you plan your trip right, trust me, it will work in your favor, because I'm not feeling even pressured now. You know what I mean? But maybe coming back out, I may see some traffic or whatnot. So we're just gonna look at those. You know what I mean? But I mean, these Tri-Stars, I want to say good morning and thanks for tuning in. You know what I mean? There's one link, one tune, one, one everything, you know what I mean? So big up everybody and thanks for tuning in, Tri-Stars out and bad. I'm going to make the delivery and then we're on the journey to the next pickup. Peace, respect.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.